How to update GPU in Windows 10 and Windows 11. For this, first of all, you need to go to Windows search, and herein you need to type device manager, and you need to open device manager in your system, and after that you need to expand this window, and herein you can see display adapter is showing here. So you just need to expand this display adapter, and herein you can see graphic adapter, and you can see GPU card and graphic card is here. So just right click here and click on properties option from here, and this window will open up. This is the window, and herein you need to click on this driver option, and there's an option of update driver. So just click on update driver here, and click on search automatically for drivers, and you can see the best driver is already installed because I have just installed it. And you can also look for search for updates from here on Windows, so you can update and install the Windows update as well, because there are so many drivers which are installed from Windows update. So I hope friends, now you will be able to update graphic drivers in your system. And in case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button, also subscribe my channel for my upcoming videos.